Here peace, welcome back to Wise Child channel. This is Mr. Wise Child himself. Today I'll be doing things a little different. I'll be doing some baking. I know you guys used to me on the cooking, but I can also bake quite well. So I'll be doing sweet potato pudding. Right now, it's real Jamaican sweet potato. This is 4 pounds. And I'll be doing some coconut milk, real coconut milk from this dried coconut. So I'll be breaking this, getting the inside, grate it, and get my coconut milk. Right now I have about half cup of raisins, nutmeg, my cinnamon powder, mixed spice, and my vanilla, sugar, and my all-purpose flour as usual, and a little browning. So I'll be adding 2 cups of sugar to it, a tablespoon of the mixed spice, 2 tablespoons of the vanilla, alright, and I'll add in about a teaspoon of salt. And I'll also be melting some margarine to blend it. So that is all the ingredients that will be put together too. So I have a lot of work ahead of me because I got to grate these guys. I will grate it. So it's a lot of work, but gotta put in the work for the channel. Also the coconut, we have to grate this. After I break it and take out the inside, I have to grate that so I can get the real coconut milk. So peeps, check it out as I go along. Peeps, see here now? This is the hardest part of the work, peeps. The grater in the sweet potato. It's no boy, a lot of work, but as I said, I have to put in the work for you guys to see it. Yeah man, good content from Wise Choice. I work very hard for you guys. This is some good Jamaican authentic cooking. So just asking you to please share the videos. Ask your friends and families to subscribe to Wise Choice channel on YouTube. Make a comment, hit the notification bell, and I really appreciate it, peeps. A lot of work putting in, to give you guys some good content. So, this is the grater of the sweet potato. So check it out when I'm finished. Great time. Yeah, peeps. So I hooks up my coconut, my dried coconut, cutting up, so I'll be blending up now in the NutriBullet to get my coconut milk. Yeah, peeps. That's it. Look at that. Real coconut milk, peeps. Yeah man, so this will be going in the sweet potato pudding. So check it out. This is how we do it. Peeps, see it here now? All grated. Also I did some of the coconut where I got the coconut milk from. I did some of the trash inside of it, This is my style, Wise Choice style, Yeah, so what I'll be doing now, I'm going to be adding all wet ingredients right now. So, I melted a half stick of margarine. I'll be adding 2 cups of the coconut milk. Now I'll be also adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla. and a tablespoon of mixed spice. Here peeps, so that is my liquids to the pudding. So check it out when I'm adding the dry ingredients. Here peeps, so call this nutmeg. So I'm basically, it will be great time. By my estimation, about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg in this. Nutmeg have a nice smell and it gives a nice flavor to the pudding. Alright peeps, I'll be adding my cinnamon powder. It's a little flour drop on it, but yeah. This is my cinnamon powder. 1 tablespoon. I'll be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups peeps, 2 cups. Your peeps are going to be working the scene now. We're going to be working in the ingredients now, peeps. So with wet ingredients in, dry ingredients also in. Look at that peeps. Come on. This is now coming to come peeps. Coming to come. This will be going in the baking tin very soon peeps. Very soon. So we'll do it. So in the meantime now peeps, I can start to add some raisins. Whoever is doing it can add as much raisin to their liking. I don't really use a lot of raisin in it. I don't like to overpower it with raisins, so just put enough. Yeah peeps, just put enough. And just work that in peeps. Work that in. Yeah. Just like that peeps. Alright peeps, so check it out when it's in the baking tin, and then I'll be putting it into the oven. I'll be baking this for about 45 minutes to an hour until fully baked. Alright peeps, so check it out. Yeah peeps, also I'll be adding ½ cup of refined cornmeal. ½ cup refined cornmeal. So the cornmeal and the flour is going to be the bonding agent. Yeah peeps, just like that. So my final thing now I'll be adding is 2 cups of brown sugar as a sweetener. This is how I do it, peeps. Everybody do their thing different. But this is how I make my sweet potato pudding. Yeah, peeps, so as I said, check it out when it's in the baking tin. You know you always want to grease your baking tin so there's no sticking, so check my back. Yeah, peeps, that's it in the baking tin right now. I didn't bother go with the browning, it's optional. Depends on everybody liking. I was going to make it catch it natural color. So I did say 45 minutes to hour, but it depending on the amount of potato using and the size of the pudding. So it might go a little more. So I'll put it to an hour to 2. Alright, so it depending. So you know, I'll be checking when it reach about an hour. I'll be checking it and see if it's done. And we can continue on. So I've now preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I've preheated the oven and I've also greased it in with margarine so that the pudding don't stick. So I'll be adding it into the oven now, peeps, so check it when it's done. Yeah, peeps, sweet potato pudding all done. Wow, look at that, eh? Looking real nice, peeps. And I put a little coconut milk on the top. This look is a little custard with the coconut milk. Nice and rich, real sweet potato, Jamaican sweet potato pudding, peeps. That is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. Look at that, peeps, a slice there. Wow, look at that. Nice and rich. Yeah, peeps, so once again, this is Mr. Wise Choice doing a sweet potato pudding. Thanks for watching. Appreciate, like, share and subscribe. And I say once again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate. Blessed love till the next time.